Okay, so the first thing you will have to do is to configure the top level item. So you would just go to edit an item. And then it allows you to filter it through either department and class. You would also have to click this is top level opportunity wizard item, which is telling the system that it is a top level item. And then you would also have to click on web store and related items. You can add description to it if you want, and you can add all the relevant bundled item you want to sell together with, or you want to quote together with this top level item. And then you basically hit save. This top level item will be saved. And then we can go ahead and create an opportunity. We should first select the company. And then choose one of them. Just waiting it to load. And then you would hit the Sales Configurator button. And right now it's filtered through a department. So this item 2 is manufacturing. And here you can see all the top level items that belong to the manufacturing department. And I will select item 2 and search all related items. So all the related items on the item record just showed up. You can either mark them all or you can individually select them. And you can also change the quantity here as well. And hit add transaction. So everything will be here. Hit save. Yep, so this opportunity is created. So if we want to convert it to a quote, we will just click this plus icon and then quote. So all the existing information will auto sync onto this quote, as well as the item. And then after making sure that all of these are correct, then we can go ahead and save the quote. And now the code is saved. So another thing is that if we want to change the filter from department to class, we can do that by going to Setup, Company, General Preferences, and then go to Custom Preferences. Under this top level filter, we can change department to class and then hit save. Okay, so we can create another opportunity. Again, we will have to do the company first. And then click on Sales Configurator. So this filter just changed from department to class. And we select subscription, item 2, search for related items. And all the related items will show up. And basically, you just follow the same process of the previous demo, add to transaction, and then save. And then if we want, we can convert it to a quote or sales order or cash sale. Just waiting for it to load. Okay, making sure everything is correct. Everything is here, and then we hit save. So now the quote is saved. And that's it.